Hi, welcome to Fake Hair Real Talk. My name is Brynn. Thank you, Andrea, for sending me this piece to do a review on. You can go to her website, www.wigstudio1.com. She also has a Facebook group. It is called Wigstudio1 Wig and Topper Support Group. Let's talk about the Push collection. Now, Push is owned by Wigstudio1. It is their own personal line. I own several of these pieces and I love them. By far the best quality hair I've ever owned. So this is the Brynn wig. She comes in 18 inches. There is another one. It's the Eileen wig. Y'all check her out. Crazy Wig Lady. One of my best friends. I love her. She has the Eileen wig and it is a 12-inch. And Andrea also has toppers. She has the Courage topper and the Freedom topper and the Fearless topper. She has a gray color coming out. So y'all keep your eyes open for all of that. Let's take a look at her cap. She is a French drawn silk top. Look how realistic that is. And to change the part, all you have to do is wet it and then blow dry it the direction you want it to go. She has this amazing transparent lace and lace front. And the lace goes down to the ear tabs. Here's the ear tabs. And some of them come with a silicone coating over it, some don't. She has an extended nape with hook adjusters. Her cap is 100% hand tied and it's so comfortable and stretchy. It's the most comfortable cap I have for my shaved head. I own 3 Push pieces and I own several other human hair pieces, and this by far is the best. If y'all remember a long time ago in one of my old videos, I was telling y'all I think I'm gonna start buying human hair instead of all these expensive synthetics, and I've kind of done it. I still love my synthetics though, but the human hair just lasts. It lasts so much longer. I have my original Push piece that I got over a year ago. I had put highlights in her and she doesn't even look like the same piece. Nobody would be able to tell because I customized it. And that's one of the things that the Push line is more about. It's giving you this great foundation and canvas to take it and make it your own. This color is a 10-6-8R. And she's beautiful. This is 100% Remy European human hair. So you can style it, curl it, straighten it, whatever you want to do with this, like it's your own hair. She's so pretty. Let's take a look at this lace. Here it is. There's the lace front. Here she is, curled. Okay guys, I'm gonna take y'all outside and show you what she looks like in natural lighting. Here she is, guys. All right, bye, guys. Okay. Look at this color. Look how silky this hair is. She's so pretty. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Love y'all.